Hi, my name is Dat, and this is my Sprint 1. As a public user, I want to visit the home page so that I can see the computer science department information, acceptance criteria, the home page display the courses, faculties, and announcement, and other information about the computer science department. The home page can be scrolled down to see more information. When scrolled down, an up arrow option will appear on the bottom right. When click on the up arrow, the page will scroll up to the top. So here I'm at the home page, and it has different information about the UCO computer science department. And as I scroll down, there's more information. So that's the About Us section. And when I scroll down, there is a arrow appear on the bottom right. And when I click on the arrow, it will move the page back up to the top. So again, scroll down, appear, click, and then move back up. As a public user, I want to see the web page's animation so that I have a better experience when visiting the web page. Acceptance criteria: when the page first loads, each sections are animated. As the user scroll down, hover over different item will trigger the animation. The animation play when the page is loading up. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page. So when we first access, you can see the page when it's loading. There's an animation to show that it's loading to 100%. And as I scroll down, each section is animated so that it displays nicely. And when I hover over a certain item, it will display the animation. As a public user, I want to navigate around the web page so that I can access all the website's information. Acceptance criteria: the submenu can be expanded by hovering the mouse over. When click on the social media icons, it will route to the correct UCO social media page. So here's menu I can navigate. I can go to a different page. This is just the home page. If I hover over the menu, there's a sub menu. I can go to the course and see all the course offer at UCO. I can go to the graduate page, or I can go to the contact page or the sign up page. And also down in the menu footer, there's more link to different resources and the UCO social media. Some of the icon, if I click on it, it will navigate me to the UCO, like the Facebook. If I click on Facebook, if I click on the Twitter, it will link to the UCO Twitter. And same for LinkedIn and YouTube. UCO YouTube. As a public user, I want to use the image slider so that I can see different content. Acceptance criteria: when the user click on the right arrow, the slider will transition to another image and content. When the user click on the left arrow, the slider will transition back to the previous image and content. When the user click and drag on the slider, it can transition forward or backward. So I'm going to go to my home page, and here there's a slider arrow. If I click on it, it can transition to different content and image. And also down in the course section, I can click the arrow to move to different course, or I can drag and slide back and forth. As a public user, I want to visit the web page on different screen size so that I can access the web page on my phone or computer. Acceptance criteria: when the user resizes the screen size, the contents are realigned to fit nicely. When the screen size reaches below 767 pixels, the menu is aligned vertically. The menu collapses to a hamburger icon when the screen size reaches below 767 pixels. the menu open and close by toggling the hamburger icon. So I'm just going to minimize this and expand this out. So here, this is the for the screen size on the computer, and the content looks like this. And I'm going to go ahead and resize it to a mobile device. And as you can see, once it reaches a certain point, the menu will collapse to a hamburger icon on the top right. So on mobile, it would look something like this. And if I scroll down, all the contents are realigned nicely. Go back up, and if I toggle the menu, I could see the menu and access the menu like that. As a public user, I want to access the sign up page so that I can sign up as a student. Acceptance criteria: user can only sign up if they enter in the email and password. User must enter an email with a @ symbol, or it plays an error. The verification notification page is shown if the user signed up successfully. The public user registration display in the database. So here I'm going to go ahead and go to the sign up page. And here I'm not going to enter anything. I'm just going to hit submit and say fill out information. So I'll just put a invalid email and some password. And here say I must put in the @ symbol. So I'm going to sign up with a valid email address, and I'll put in a password. I'll hit submit. And here I was sent to a verification page. That means my sign up was successful. If I go to the database, and here's the user, and I'll refresh. And here the information is displayed in the database with the password encrypted. And that's it for my sprint 1. Thank you for watching.